I really like this cooler with dual temp control. We bought it for a kitchen remodel to fit under our new countertop. It has not been installed yet but is up and running in our living room. We let it sit unplugged for a week. Then we plugged it in for a week to get the temps right. Then the third week we added wine and sodas. It has cooled like it is supposed to. Be patient and follow the directions. We love the sleek look and the lighting that is optional. It holds a lot of bottles on the wine side and lots of sodas and beer on the other side. It was delivered in a box that was well padded. The inside box had an outside box on a wood pallet. Nothing was damaged. We ready to discard lots of cardboard, recycle, and the small wood pallet. Easy to set up and clean. We really are pleased so far with the purchase. We got this unit for a dry bar and it has performed very well. The shelving is efficiently laid out and we actually use most of the right-hand side for white wine storage, not soda, beer. The shelves are coated wire on the right side, and the two top shelves have a wider spacing, but otherwise they work the same as the left side's wooden shelves. The unit is slightly noisier than our full-size GE fridge, which is very quiet, but is definitely not disruptive of conversation or even of quiet activities, such as reading, in the same room, and it runs fairly infrequently. It is much quieter and sturdier than previous, less expensive wine fridges we have owned. The only assembly required is installing the handles, which is similar to installing a drawer pull on a cabinet, 2 screws through the door, into the handle. The unit is heavy enough that it will be helpful to have 2 people to unbox it and move it into position, although I was able to slide it around solo. So far I love my Kalamera KRC 150CB wine soda cooler. It's pretty, fits nicely in my butler panty, cooled down and is maintaining the chill on my soda and wine, and the company has been great to work with. Take a look at the pictures, to me it looks great. Kalamera had said it needed a 24 inches space and it fit perfectly in it. I had to adjust how far back the carpet went so that it would sit level front to back, and that seemed important so it would work quietly. I also had to make sure it wasn't pushed too far back so the doors would open and not hit the cabinets next to it. It is working very quietly and shuts off and sits silently once it cools down. Follow the instructions and I think you'll have success. You may notice the power cord still is running over the top of it. It is, but as soon as the outlet is working behind it then I'll pull it out and plug it in back there. No problem. I love the French doors. They are beautiful and limit how much space is used in the depth of the butler pantry when they are open. I found online that Coke products like 38 degrees and Pepsi likes 40 degrees, so I have Coke in the right and Pepsi in the left. I know it doesn't use all the space, but I am just putting whole 12-pack soda boxes on the shelves. They fit great except the bottom ones on each side that are actually half shelves. I do have wine bottles down there even though it's not really the optimum temperature for them. It comes with wood shelves on one side for wine and plastic-coated shelves for soda on the other. I am really more interested in soda, so I am using the plastic-coated ones and removed most of the wood ones. I did need one more short wood shelf and contacted the company at service at Kalamera. They were great, very responsive, and got me one in the mail the same day for a very reasonable price. Thanks for the wonderful support, Kalamera. Finally, there have been comments online here about short life problems. While that can happen, I have nothing to believe this isn't going to be a great product. I could certainly see how there would be issues if the directions aren't followed, such as keeping it upright for 24 hours before installation. I have no indication so far that this is going to be anything but a joy. I will update my review if that changes. Should add that the price of this was less than half what the appliance company wanted to charge for another manufacturer's product. We didn't want to pay more than the cost of a full-size refrigerator for this, and Amazon's price was great. It came right away and the packaging was great, so it was well protected. Be careful how you handle a refrigerator. Keep it upright and it will start up quiet and remain quiet. This item looks great, runs quiet and keeps the wine at perfect temperature. My only wish is that the wine racks were adjustable. I would prefer to store less but have easier access. I love it and would buy it again, as it is a great value for what you get. Love this Beverage refrigerator. First of all, it is super quiet. I read some reviews on other brands that are noisy, and this one is whisper quiet. It looks fantastic. Sturdy. Dual temperature works perfectly. Fits quite a few bottle and cans. Shelves removed to fit taller cans or larger wine bottles. Super happy with my purchase. I definitely recommend this product. I have only had the unit for 3 days, so my review is limited. The fridge arrived on time and packaged very well. The unit is heavy and appears to be well built. Looks like some other units at twice the price. The dimensions are true to advertising. All you have to do is install the handles with 4 small screws, super simple. There were many comments about the compressor. When it kicks on I can barely hear it. Not sure on temp yet. Both sides appear to be cool, but not sure if the beverage side will be cold enough to give you that ice-cold drink. The unit does have feet so you can level it. The doors only need to be opened 90 degrees to have full use of the slide-out shelves. Blue lights, manual, are very nice and provide a nice look. Power cord is plenty long. Not for outdoor use. Manufacturer sent a new unit to replace the malfunctioning one. They called me personally to understand the issue. The original fridge had some issues. The manufacturer contacted me and sent me a replacement free of charge. The new fridge is working great, and so far I am very happy with the purchase. On a side note, I ordered a 15 inches Kalamera beverage collar and it is working great. This is a good value for the money. Holds the number of wine bottles and other drinks it claims. Very sturdy. Only concern is slightly worn to the touch and runs a lot. I have checked the balance to see if there was a balance issue which led to constant running and heat, but it is perfectly level. Click link in description for purchase and more reviews.